Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today I want to show you what I have found for summer on Depop and what I couldn't find because it's something I really wanted to add to my wardrobe, items that I really wanted. I went and did a little retail therapy and bought new. So I'm showing you what I got from Depop, which are 5 items, and then I've got 5 as well items from Karen Millen, and I'm going to just be showing you how I intend to style them, why I picked them, and also how I find these cool pieces, because honestly I love Depop and I do think I've kind of found my way around in the app and I'm very confident with it. So by sharing, I'm hoping you're inspired to also go in there and find a few gems for yourself. So if this is your first time landing on this video, my name is OHLEEN, and on this channel we talk sustainable fashion styling, we do reviews, we do unboxings, and sometimes vlogs, a little lifestyle stuff here and there. So if that's your thing, definitely consider subscribing. Definitely check out the playlist that I've created because I do have some reviews that are pretty interesting, little try-ons, styling videos, which will definitely be up your alley if you like that sort of thing. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into it. This is an All Saints jacket, and I got this for £20. Now, if you know anything about All Saints, you know that anything for £20 in All Saints will probably be a key ring. So this is in immaculate condition. Now, this is an extra large denim jacket, which, yes, it's a men's jacket, and I did actually get it for Bay, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to be wearing this too. I think this is an example of how Depop can be really sweet in finding cool deals, absolutely quality items for £20, and I paid £4 for delivery, £24 for a denim All Saints jacket. Like, this is a steal. And the reason is because you will get innocent individuals that just want to clear their wardrobe, and for some people it's not about the money, it's just contributing to, you know, directly or indirectly to sustainability, and you buying that item, you're also contributing to that and you're getting it off their hands, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with this, and that is one of the reasons why I love Depop. Now, I was actually supposed to start from here to here, but I just wanted to prove the point that £24 All Saints, get involved. Depop, get involved. I'm gonna go back down here. So this is a Cami, and nothing too amazing about the brand. I mean, it's a Topshop UK size 10 Cami. So I'm not a fan usually on Depop of getting items from the likes of Topshop, Zara, Primark. You will notice when you're filtering, the top brands that have thousands of items in whatever you search for is always going to be the fast fashion brands, because there's so much out there that people are trying to get rid of. I saw this and I really liked it. I got this because I absolutely love the sequin on it and the detail on it and the color, and it's so buildable, and the quality is there, and I like the straps at the back as well. I really like the v-neck. It dips in a way that is not too much for me personally, because if you know anything, or if you don't know, I'm not really a fan of cleavage, so I try to wear things that make me look really chic and not too revealing, because I have quite large boobs, and like I'm a G cup. I'm petite and I'm a G cup, and we have a hard time getting things looking the way we want them, but I think I'm getting there. So when I'm looking for camis, I pay attention to this because this is so important in how it's going to look on me, and I prefer it to look as clean, as chic, as modest as possible without looking like an auntie either, if you know what I mean. I think you know what I mean. Third is this jacket. Now, a few videos back, I think a year ago, I said I really wanted something like this tweed effect. When I saw this, I appreciated it, and this was such a sweet purchase because this particular seller, I bargained with her, I bought it, and when she was about to ship, she messaged me and said, hey, I was just folding the item for you, and I noticed there's a mark on the collar. let me know if you still want it. And I said, well, show me the mark on the collar. What does it, like, how bad is it? But I found it really sweet that she was honest enough to tell me, because to be honest, had it come, the mark is very insignificant. It's inside as well. So I love this. It's so stylable, and it's I love a smart casual vibe. That's really my thing, and this is really going to help me achieve that, and it's going to be so versatile. And I like the color. I appreciate the brand Jigsaw. Jigsaw is like amazing in terms of quality. They're not cheap, and these are the sort of things I look out for in Depop, because when you're trying to buy them full price, for me it ain't happening. Like I'm just not. So this is a size 12. I have gained weight, and so we're officially a size 12 now. This is it. I love it. I love it. I love the texture. I like how thick it is. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. It's slightly padded on the shoulders, and it's got 2 little pockets. It makes you look grown. It makes you look like you have a good okay, let me not rant. Let me not go off tangent. Second to last is this. I don't own a denim jacket, and I've always admired people that have them on and they look so chic and effortless, and just like they just chucked it on and it just brought everything together, and I admire that enough. So I wanted one. So I got this cropped one, and I wanted it in Levi because Levi is such a classic. I get cold, and I prefer to be warm than cold, though I prefer winter fashion for fashionable reasons. But when it's summertime, I would rather be on the safe side than to go out like this, for example. But at the same time, I don't want to look crazy with something that is for winter. And I think this is cute enough. It's cropped, it's baggy, and then inside it has this woolen material which just gives it that extra cushioniness. So this is amazing. I think this is definitely the most expensive thing here, but I appreciate it, and I think that should I ever decide to resell this item, I will get a good amount of money, because it's not about how much I paid for it, but the fact that it's classic. And there are loads of Levi's on Depop, so you will definitely find something that you will love. Anyway, so this is the 4th item, and I'm pretty much in love. I haven't even worn it yet. That's how much this wardrobe prep is fresh and new, and you're getting a first glance into it. So lucky you. Lastly are these Ego heels. Honestly, we came across these when I was looking for something that is significantly lower than this, like a thong sandal with a block heel. That is what I am still after, because I didn't find it. I stumbled across these and they were such a good price. I thought to myself, why not? Funny enough, they're actually size 6, UK size 6, and I'm actually size 5, but with sandals that I find I can get away with that. I liked them enough to consider, you know, I will be willing to get a size 6. I really like the square toe. It really just puts you together, and I like the textured band across and the little big toe slot. I don't know what it's called formally, but anyway, we love the color because it's buildable, it's very clean, it's very classy, and that's kind of the vibe I'm going for. And also, if I do decide to splash color on the outfit, this is not going to be too a difficult thing to pair with. It's going to be quite versatile, and that's why I got this. So this is for days when I'm going out, and probably, you know, building to the excitement of coming out this summer. Since we've been indoors a lot, I would think I'll be going out a lot and wanting to feel really put together. So this is going to be what will help my outfit. So yeah. Now we're moving on to the items that are new, brand new. I opted to buy everything from Karen Millen because I trust Karen Millen's quality, and I trust the styles they opt for. They're trendless for me. They are just so timeless. So I went ahead and got little basics that will help me build upon. To start off with is this orange beauty little thing you've been seeing. By the way, in Karen Millen, I'm actually a size S, which is their small. Karen Millen items fit me so well. It's beautiful, it's amazing. And then on bottoms, depending on what it is, I'll get a medium. because as you know, I am petite, but I'm very curvy. I am 5'3", and I'm lingering around small and medium depending from which shop, and definitely a large on bottoms just because of my hips and my bum. Yeah, anyway, so this orange top, much loved. I got it. I did overthink it when I was seeing it on the website. It wasn't so clear, the tone of the orange, but then I figured, hey, I can return it. Now it's here. I absolutely love it. This color complements my skin tone beautifully, and the quality, whew, girl, go. Karen Millen does not disappoint. I honestly think the reason why I couldn't find them on Depop is, number one, I'm quite tight on Depop in terms of how much I want to spend on something, and secondly, also, I think the reason it's not on Depop is because people love these items and they often don't need to sell them because they use them so frequently. But the items I have, they're so usable, and I think that's why they're quite hard to find somebody selling them secondhand, trying to let go of them, because they're doing just fine with them in their wardrobe. Item number 2, since we've talked about this one, is number 1, the brand new item from Karen Millen, is this. I haven't even worn this, it's still got tags on it, but it's this cream top. They've labeled it as a long sleeve knitted rib bordered top in cream. The cream is so luxurious, the cream is so beautiful, and the quality of the material, again, Karen Millen does not disappoint. This is going to be with me for a hot minute, and I'm absolutely going to enjoy it. And this is a square neck, and you notice that pretty much everything I got is a square neck. I'm obsessed with square necks because they will allow me to build on my jewelry, and it's thick enough to keep me warm, you know, for those summer evenings that are not too hot but it's not cold for me to wear a jacket. I can just roll out with this. I love it, and it's extremely fitted, so I can pair it with skirts that are not fitted, trousers, leggings. Because it's fitted, it's so versatile. I really like this. I really like this, and the color is it's a great color for me, definitely. This is the same material in a different color, but again, this color I think is more for the brown tones, working with brown tones, and that's something that I want to do more of, and I want to build in my wardrobe. And again, same material and a squared neck, long sleeved again, and again, the quality is beautiful. Now I have a black top in my wardrobe, which is a pole neck, and it's not every time that's called for, because that's a really winter look or autumn look. And this square neck I think is going to be quite versatile, and I appreciate the quality because it's going to help me go a long way with this and use it for so many looks. This is going to be that basic that is quite versatile, and that's why I got it, and black is beautiful. So then we got these trousers. Now these trousers I wasn't too sure about. I really appreciate cigarette pants when I see them on other people, but on me they don't look as classy as I would like them because of my hips and my bum. I kind of like how these ones look though. I think I kind of like it. I think I do. I think I appreciate how these look, and the quality, of course, again, is beautiful. I really do appreciate. I like the color. It's buildable and it's got pockets here as well. So that is something that I can build with, and of course I can build with a lot of these things here already, plus the rest of the stuff in my wardrobe. And then last but not least are these jeggings, and again I like these. They're high-waisted, a zip at the front, and I really picked these because they have belt hooks, and belts for me are an accessory that really does once again elevate an outfit. Yeah, and I appreciate the button detail. I appreciate the way it sits as well. It's quite a soft denim, and it's quite, the color as well is really buildable. I did a video on Litchi, and Litchi is a German company who are doing amazingly well on sending fashion items to you in Europe, and they're very just, I don't know, there's just something so chic, so vogue, and so versatile about their pieces. They do really well to showcase their items basically. And what I'm trying to say is Karen Millen items are very similar to Litchi. I find literally to be more on the pricier side. And also Karen Millen can be expensive as well, but they will always have a sale section. Everything, by the way, I got here, I got from their sale section. Nothing here is full price. So, you know, I spent £18, £20, £21 on some of these items. Nothing here was more than £30. I achieved great quality in the UK, speedy delivery. So if you're having issues with Litchi and you've looked at them and they're too expensive, definitely consider Karen Millen, because they're very, very similar in terms of their offering, their style, the quality. Litchi may be a little bit more edgy, a little bit more towards fashion statement-y items, and Karen Millen may be more classic and just ultra luxe basics. But still, they are offering you great quality, and that is the important thing for me, that they are offering quality, and quality gives you versatility and longevity in that item being in your wardrobe, and you enjoy it better. That is pretty much all. If you have any questions, definitely DM me on Instagram. I'm most active there, or you can put them in the comment section below and we can have a conversation. You can share your notes, trade notes, so we can all learn from each other. Thank you so much for staying to the end, and I will see you next Sunday 6 p.m. GMT when I post my new video. Thank you so much. Mwah.